Hey students! Want to save hours of work every week? Today I'll show you 3 AI tools every student must know in 2025 that will make studying and writing super easy. The first tool is ChatGPT, your AI study assistant. You can use it to write essays, summarize long chapters, solve complex problems, or even generate ideas for assignments. Just type your question, and the AI gives instant answers, saving you tons of time. The second tool is Notion AI, the ultimate study planner. Organize your notes, create automatic summaries, plan your study schedule, and even track homework and projects. It's like having a personal assistant for your studies. The third tool is Grammarly, perfect for writing assignments and improving your grammar. It helps you paraphrase sentences, correct mistakes, and make your writing sound professional. Just paste your text, and these AI tools do the rest. So there you have it, 3 AI tools that every student should use in 2025. Try them out and comment below which one you'll use first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tools that help you study smarter, work faster, and earn more.